The alt season is over. At least that's what some YouTubers are saying. But let's go in and look at the history. This is Bitcoin monthly returns by percentages. Here we have the Bitcoin halving dates. This was a halving date on July of 2016. The following years, when we had the election of 2017, here's the first quarter. So January we were down, February we were up, and then March we were down. The next halving was May of 2020. Then we had the presidential election, new president comes into office, and we have January up 14.5%, February up really nice, and then of course March we have it up as well. The next halving date was April of 2024, and in January we saw 11% increase. Now one thing we want to point out is in February we had a really nice increase in 2017, also in 2021. If we continue this pattern of really nice profit, especially in February, we may see potentially high 40s to maybe mid 50s from 23.07, 36.78, possibly high 40s to maybe mid 50s. Now, another thing I want to point out is we have really nice months in July and August after the halving. We can see it again in 2021, and this is what we're looking forward to also in 2025. November, December is normally when we have the peak of the alt season. And in these months, we can see that Bitcoin also is doing well. In 2017, 2021, they didn't do so well. And then only time will tell if this one does well. So we have really nice returns, not so nice returns, hopefully really nice returns. Now let's see how well Ethereum played out, which is the leader of the alts. You can see in the first quarter of 2017, really nice months. July didn't perform too well. However, the following month, really nice gains. Then, of course, you have November, December, the peak of the alt season. Then in 2021, we had amazing gains in January, and then really nice gains in February, March. July, August were pretty nice gains. And then November, December, not so much. And this is when all of the money was going to other alts. Around mid-November is when we had the all-time high for the majority of the alt market. Now for 2025, January wasn't too good. However, here we can see February is a really nice month in 2017, 2021, and we're looking for a really nice month in February of 2025, also for March. Also looking forward to July and August being really good months. And this time around, we may end up topping out for the alts around October, possibly November. So now let's look at total two. First halving for Bitcoin was July 9th, 2016, and this is the following year. So month of January, total market cap for the alts and also Ethereum was 890.06 million, and the absolute peak was 474.51 billion, with a difference of 53,212%. Now, of course, I do understand that everything is different as far as the amount of tokens available to the economy, the leaders in government. Now, one thing I want you to take note of is January 1st, 2017, the peak for the total market cap of Total 2 was in January of 2018, so 12 months. The next halving was May 11th, 2020, and the following year, January 1st, 2021, we start off with 417.3 billion, and the absolute peak was 1 month earlier, so 11 months. November 2021, with a market cap of 1.71 trillion. And that difference is 309.78%. The first one was 12 months to the high. The second one that we're showing you is 11 months to the high. Now the third halving, which occurred April 19, 2024. The beginning of the following year, January 2025, we started off with at 1.56 trillion. Now, according to ChatGPT and also Grok, if we assume the similar percentage increase around 309.78%, the projected value would be 6.39 trillion. There's a lot of people right now calling for about 5 trillion. I have an estimate of around 7 trillion. However, Grok and also ChatGPT says if we continue this, more than likely it's going to be 6.39 trillion. Let me know in the comments below do you think the top is going to be for total 2? This does not include Bitcoin. So it includes Ethereum and all the other alts, including all these crazy meme coins. I'm saying it's going to be around 7 trillion due to all these crazy meme coins. Let me know where you think it might be for the absolute top or the total 2 market cap. If this video brought any value to you, definitely smash the like if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe to the channel with the notification bells on. I go live every single day, Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we'll soon be adding more times that I go live. So make sure that notification bell's on. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. And as always, let's make this money. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.